Welcome to the video. Today I want to introduce how to register SINGCALL product, one fixed receiver APE8000 with multi-button pagers. Firstly, this is APE8000. It has two sides to show the number, and it can be hung from ceiling. Let me show the screen to you. And the antenna should be placed to 45 degrees. Then this alarm is an accessory, extra charged if you need. It can be connected to the APE8000. Now I show you the connection. That's okay. Besides, if the device is used in a factory, it can also be connected to the stereo set to enlarge the calling voice. Secondly, I want to introduce the function of remote controller keys. A means ENT, enter. B means ESC, escape. C means UP, up. D means FUN, function, or MOVE, move. E means DOWN, down. Now I will introduce the registration of this APE8000 receiver. Register number. Step 1. In standby mode. Press key D.
Service number setting.
F1 appears on the screen. Step 2. Press key A. 00101 appears. Step 3. Press key C, D, or E to choose the number you want. Step 4. Press call pager. The register number flashes on the screen with music prompt and then stops. Step 5. Press key B. F1 appears. Step 6. Press key B again. Back to standby mode. One pager registration is finished. Step 7. If you want to register more pagers, please repeat step 2, 3, 4 to register all the call buttons you need. I would like to register other 7 multi-button pagers.
Service number setting.
You can also press D, C, or E to choose the number you want. When all the pagers are registered, press key B twice. Back to standby mode. Lastly, I will show how to call pager's number.
Service.
If If you want to delete the current calling, you can press key C. The calling number will disappear.
00112. 00312 order. 00300.
And you can also press key E to delete all calling number. Thank you for your watching.